If your last Costco trip felt a little off, maybe something was missing, and you couldn't quite put your finger on it, you're not alone. Right now, Costco is quietly pulling 9 popular products from shelves across the country with no announcement, no warning, and no plan to bring them back. And when we say disappearing, we don't mean temporary sellouts. We mean permanent removals. This is your heads up from Spend Smart, because by the time most shoppers notice, it's already too late. Let's count down the 9 Costco favorites you'll never see again in 2025, and we promise number 1 hits harder than you expect. 9. Kirkland Signature Chocolate Chips, gone without a trace. If you're a home baker, this one's going to sting. Costco has confirmed the discontinuation of Kirkland's Signature Chocolate Chips in 2025. The beloved semi-sweet chips are vanishing and being replaced by big-name brands like Nestle, often at a higher price. These weren't just chocolate chips. They were a baking essential, affordable, rich, and trusted by millions. Shoppers are already spotting the dreaded asterisk, aka Death Star, on price tags, Costco's not-so-secret signal that an item is being discontinued. One shopper said she bought 10 bags on the spot. Didn't even think twice, she told us. If you still see them at your local store, act now. This isn't overstock clearance. This is a goodbye. 8. Sprout Creek Mini Cinnamon Rolls Therapy in a tray? Not anymore. Soft, flaky, sweetly glazed. If you know, you know. Sprout Creek Bakery's mini cinnamon rolls were a hidden bakery gem that offered a comforting bite at the end of a long day. Now, the Death Star has arrived and shelves are thinning fast. By the end of August 2025, they're gone. For good. They weren't just pastries. These little rolls were a moment of calm, and their loss feels personal to many Costco members. Don't wait for confirmation. If your store still has them, stock up before they vanish, because comfort food doesn't always get a second chance. 7. Kirkland Signature Soy Milk. Plant-based fans, you've been warned. Kirkland's affordable, reliable soy milk has been a plant-based staple for years, perfect for smoothies, cereals, and lattes. Now it's being phased out. Officially, starting August 2025, Costco is removing Kirkland soy milk from most locations. Why? The chain cites low demand, but loyal shoppers tell a different story. Some have visited multiple warehouses to find the last few boxes. Even worse, no clear replacement is lined up. If this was part of your daily routine, now's the time to rethink your plan or grab what's left before it disappears from your shelf for good. 6. Death Star products are piling up. Watch these items closely. Here's a critical Spend Smart tip. That small asterisk in the upper right of a Costco price tag, that's not decoration. It's a signal. Your item is on the way out, and it's showing up everywhere. In August 2025 alone, these popular items have received the Death Star treatment. Biscoff cookies, Crown maple syrup, Pantene shampoo, by water. This isn't random. It's a nationwide rotation. And once the asterisk appears, there's no restock, no warning, and no email. You'll only notice when the shelf is already bare, and by then it's too late. 5. Malden sea salt, a chef's secret now a ghost. To the average shopper, this might not sound dramatic, but if you've ever tried Malden sea salt, you know it's no ordinary seasoning. Chefs swear by it. Delicate, flaky crystals with a clean burst of flavor. Costco made this premium salt affordable. But now, it's quietly being pulled from warehouses with no new shipments expected. One shopper told us she checked 3 stores before giving up and paid triple online. You can expect that price spike to keep climbing as supply dries up. This isn't just salt. It's a quality of life item in the kitchen. If you see it, buy it now because it's disappearing fast. 4. Kirkland Ultra Clean Liquid Laundry Detergent. A quiet exit for a workhorse product. This one's easy to overlook until it's gone. Costco is phasing out Kirkland Ultra Clean Liquid Laundry Detergent. As of August 2025, the original supplier, Henkel, has quietly exited. There's no fanfare, no replacement announced, just lighter shelves and confused shoppers. This detergent wasn't just budget-friendly. It worked. Tough on stains, fresh smelling, and no waxy residue like the cheap stuff. One shopper joked, "I bought 6 jugs last week, and I don't even do laundry." That's not overkill, that's smart shopping. If this has been your go-to, act fast. Once it's gone, it's gone. 3. Costco muffins, goodbye mix and match packs. This might feel minor until your next breakfast meeting or birthday brunch. Costco has officially ended its mix and match muffin packs. Now you're stuck buying a single flavor, no more blueberry plus chocolate plus poppy seed variety boxes. Why does this matter? Because choice is part of the value. Mix and match let you bring home something for everyone without buying 3 full boxes. Now, that flexibility is gone. One shopper compared it to showing up to a potluck where everyone brought the same dish. It's a small change, but one that hits loyal members hardest. So next time you stand in front of the muffin display and feel that familiar indecision, know that moment's gone and it's not coming back. 2. Pepsi products in the food court. It's over. Big shift in the Costco food court. Pepsi products are out. As of August 2025, Costco is switching back to Coca-Cola nationwide, which means no more Pepsi, Sierra Mist, or Mountain Dew with your $1.50 hot dog combo. That might not sound major, but for thousands of Pepsi drinkers, this move feels personal. Employees report members are bringing their own cans into the food court. That's loyalty or maybe desperation. But either way, this is permanent. If you're a Pepsi fan, take a good look at that menu board. It might be the last time you see your favorite soda listed. 1. Books, the end of an era. This one hits different. Costco is officially removing its book section as a year-round feature. From now on, books will only appear seasonally, think holidays and gift-buying spikes. For many shoppers, that book aisle was a quiet ritual, a chance to unplug, discover new authors, and find surprises in a digital world that rarely allows it. Now, it's fading away, shelf by shelf. Costco didn't make a big announcement. They just started clearing space. And with that goes a little magic, the serendipity of flipping through a cookbook or finding the perfect last-minute gift. The kind of joy that doesn't show up in an app. Final thoughts. This is why we spend smart. Costco doesn't always broadcast big changes, but here at Spend Smart, we believe in catching them before they hit your pantry, fridge, or routine. From pantry staples like soy milk and chocolate chips to food court favorites and quiet traditions like books and muffins, these changes are real, permanent, and already underway. We don't just save money. We save the things that make your life easier, more joyful, and less wasteful. So here's our advice. Pay attention to the asterisk. Don't wait for an email. Grab what matters before it's gone. Which discontinued Costco item will you miss most? Let us know. And make sure to follow Spend Smart for updates that actually matter. Up next, don't miss our latest guide, 7 Costco shopping secrets you can't afford to ignore. Number 4 will change how you shop forever.